It means a lot to me, and because Spain is a good country, and it was a big opportunity for me to sign in Levante. It's a dream come true. So that is a good outing for me in this season. I, on and off the field, to put a good character, a good behavior. That is it. My goal for this season, by the help of the coach, I think it will be a good outing for me. I, I, I believe that I should bring the best of me in this season. Last season is already gone, so to prepare for this season will be a good one for me. My goal for this season is one of to play with my teammates, to bring the best of me, and when it's time for me to score a goal, I give my best. The message of the fans to believe on the team, and let us believe on us, so that by the courage of the fans, that will give us a good outing for us in the season.